Good Tuesday afternoon. Thanks for tuning in to NBC News Daily. I'm Randy Stone with your Ark-La-Miss update. In crime news, a follow-up to a story from last week. An arrest has been made in the death of 2 head of cattle. On June the 7th, Richland Parish Sheriff's Office served arrest warrants on Bradley Caldwell for 2 counts of aggravated cruelty to animals, 1 count of theft of livestock, and 1 count of criminal trespass. This is in reference to an ongoing livestock investigation after the death of 2 cattle between the dates of Saturday, May the 11th and Friday, May 17. Caldwell is currently being held in the Caldwell Parish Detention Center for unrelated charges. At this time, no bond has been set. Recent outbreaks of bird flu is causing concerns across this country. Doctors in Louisiana are talking about it. Jordan Lipscott shares one doctor's message to the public.
In the past few months, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has recorded a few cases of people becoming ill with the bird flu. And in April, 1 man in Mexico died after becoming infected with a different strain of bird flu not seen in the U.S. According to Dr. Mark Klein, the chief medical officer and physician-in-chief at Children's Hospital New Orleans, there is no evidence a human has contracted the bird flu from another human.
This gentleman in Mexico who fell ill with the H5N2 virus, he had a number of other human contacts, and none of them has tested positive for the virus.
The U.S. strain H5N1 has infected people who have had contact with a sick cow.
They've had conjunctivitis with redness of the eyes, and one individual did have some respiratory symptoms, but those were mild. And all of those individuals have recovered uneventfully.
Klein says the bird flu shouldn't be a huge concern for people who don't work in the dairy industry or with birds.
And if you do have contact with birds or with dairy cows, you want to wash your hands very carefully, and you want to take other protective measures like goggles or masking if you're going to be around those animals for any prolonged period of time.
And only on NBC, it's that time of year again where we gather together to help our homeless veterans with our food drive. Please visit one of the Max grocery stores that you see listed on your screen. Let's buy a bag of prepackaged food for $10, and those bags will be given to homeless veterans right here in our area. We have from today until June 12th, which is this week. Let's get it done. We also have an additional option this year. Let's help our homeless veterans by scanning the code, the QR code that you see on your screen. You can purchase items such as toothbrushes, socks, razors, and other toiletries.
And now, exclusive Storm Tracker Doppler weather with meteorologist Chase Ward.
We'll see a mixture of sun and clouds kind of throughout the day, but by later on this evening, we are expecting to see a little bit more sun than clouds. Temperatures will be staying just in the mid to upper 80s for our daytime highs. And then later on tonight, we'll have a very weak disturbance that will kind of move across East Texas. It will continue to weaken, but it will spark up a lot of activity across eastern Texas. But some of the activity might linger into central parts of Louisiana. We might see a stray shower or two, mainly south I-20 corridor as we go late tonight, going to early tomorrow morning. And then by 3 or 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, we'll see the clouds really start breaking apart, expecting mostly clear conditions, and we will stay clear as we close out the rest of this week. Won't be as humid for the next few days, but by late this week, humidity values will be back still upper 60s, and we are still expecting very hot conditions going in start of the weekend. Expecting low about 65 degrees for tonight. A stray shower or two will be possible. Winds stay out of the northeast, and then for tomorrow, temps will be back to the upper 80s, kind of just shy of 90, so it will be just a tad warmer, but we are expecting more warmer conditions as we close out the week, expecting to be back to the 90s by Thursday. And then from Friday onward, we'll be in the mid-90s going into the weekend. Expecting to stay shy of heat advisory criteria, but continue to practice heat safety nonetheless, especially this weekend, as heat index values could climb into the lower triple digits, at least through next Sunday. Now by Monday and Tuesday, we'll have a new system move through, which will spark up more chances of scattered showers, thunderstorms, as we fall back to the mid-80s.
That's it for our update for this Tuesday. NBC News Daily continues.